tattoo basically involves health department's recommendations of washing your hands thoroughly for 2 to 3 minutes prior to your customer. Basic tattooing has a setup of you have a platform or a table that you're going to set up a protective barrier on, and on that protective barrier you're going to set up basically some Vaseline to help stop the bleeding while you do the tattoo process, small ink caps to hold different colors of the pigment, whatever desired tattoo needle. There's many different sizes and groupings that many different tattoos may call for a different needle size. So you have to set up the needle, the actual tube, which is the device that holds the needle, and then you set up your desired tattoo machine. Most tattoo artists carry 2 machines, one's for lining, one's for shading. One's set up for lining actually has a little bit more faster RPM, and then the one for shading is a little bit slower, so you can kind of use it like a paintbrush when you do the tattoo process. Basically, disposable razor so you can clean the area, shave it, remove the hair, so that way you're not putting ingrown hair in anybody. And alcohol so you can clean the area. Make sure you get all the dirt and bacteria off of it, so that way you know you're applying the pigment. Soap that you would wash down the tattoo with during the process, which is called green soap. It's the soap that everybody loves to smell. And I think it's what makes a tattoo shop, that smell. But that soap's like a medical grade soap. Basically use it to clean during the process, so you can make sure you get all the excess pigment, excess petroleum jelly, and anything that could possibly get into the wound during the process of tattooing. And that's your basic setup. Some states, some counties require that you cover certain pieces of equipment and furniture. North Carolina doesn't really require such things. However, for my shop, I try to do as much as I can for personal protection as well as protecting it for the customer. And you have a tattoo stencil, which is normally a carbon dye that once you apply it to the skin, it'll kind of transfer over and it'll stick, and then you just follow the lines with the tattoo machine. And once your outline process is done, you switch over to your shading or your coloring process, which basically do it step by step, gray shade by gray shade, color by color.